Hello, Darin Martineau from Master Magic Shop. In this video, I'm going to do some product recommendations and some product reviews. So this is a mixed video. Someone asked a question in the beginner magic group, so I'm going to answer it. Um, I'll also recommend a video by Craig Petty. He's got a great channel, which you should subscribe to as well. He's got a lot of free tips on there for your magic, and so I'll reference a little bit of that and reference that video, but this is going to be a little bit different products. This is my recommendations for the paddle sticks. I've created many paddle sticks myself, which I'm going to talk a little bit about, but this is just about product recommendations. So we'll do some of my top, and we'll start with some older ones that have been popular in the last several years. So we start with Flash by Chad Long, and it's basically like a flash drive and you can do the paddle moves with the flash drives. This is a really cool idea, although it's not as good as some of the other ones. I mean, it's good, but there's a lot of new things on the market now. Uh, the next one would be Jumping Gen Pen Trick by Jeff Prace. Jeff Prace is a great creator. Um, Another one, Remarkable, right, by Richard Sanders. Also, Turbo Stick by Richard Sanders. A much older one, which is from like 20 years ago, is the number two pencil by Mark Genest. And this is a really cool paddle effect with the pencil. There's also some books and DVDs. There's a Totally Impromptu Paddle Trick ebook by Jonathan Royle. There's Keith Fields has a DVD and props. There is there's a Paddle King by TCC Magic, which is really cool. I really like the thing with the mirror. I'm probably going to do something with that, but I have a different application I'm going to use that for. Um, there is also the color changing knives, of course. You have many versions of those. Uh, then you have uh, you have the some of the ones that I've created. I've created the disappearing diamonds is a diamond bar, where I make the diamonds on the card disappear and reappear. I can link to that. And then one of my favorite is one of my creations, which is the rainbow stick and color changing coin, which is a product that I've put out. And then the number one that I would recommend is Color Sticks by my friend Eric Stevens. This is absolutely incredible, and you have to see this. If you don't have this, this is just an absolute must. So this is my product recommendations. If you want to learn more, click on the links. Thank you very much.